This is a video I like to call Crossing the Country All by Myself. I currently have 40 hours until I'm home. I am in the city of Los Angeles, California, and I have to make it to my hometown of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Alone. Hello. Hello. It's just going to be me and the open road, all alone for the next 40 hours. Today is Monday. I want to be home Wednesday. Let's see if it's possible. We are on hour 1. It's going pretty okay. I don't know what to expect. I don't know how deep into my own thoughts I'm gonna get, so I'm just gonna drive for the next 15 hours and try to not think too much about my parents' divorce. Outside, there's a sleeping dog. We made it to Nevada. I'm making pretty good time. Hiding under the steps, you're on my mind, and I can't get back. We made it to Vegas. We're not staying in Vegas. Vegas is a bad place. We made it to Costco. I'm gonna go in so I can fill my water bottle, and I'm gonna get so many free samples so I don't have to pay for lunch today. That was the worst Costco of my life. They didn't have a food station. They didn't have free samples. There was maybe 3 people in the entire store. And I had to use a regular water fountain to fill my water bottle. I'm doubling down on my opinions that Vegas is the worst place on earth. And they make you go around the entire store to get to the gas station. I'm just full of complaints. I'm sorry. What? Filling the gas tank sucks balls when you're alone. Everything. Bye, Vegas. I made it to Utah. I also made it to Arizona, but that was brief. We're about 6 hours into this drive. All I have eaten so far is gummy sharks. My car tank is full, but my body tank is empty. I am so hungry. I feel like I have a fever and I'm shaking. I really can't even think straight. I've never been this hungry before. It's because I only ate those freaking gummy sharks. Oh my gosh, I feel so horrible right now. Next time you see me, I'll have a burrito in my mouth. You can hold me up against it. 6 hours of driving, that means about 34 more to go. We're killing it. I've done this drive a few times in my life. I'm not gonna let this view get old to me because I know once I get to Kansas and all that crap, it gets boring. So I'm gonna enjoy the views while I have them. We are on hour 7. My update is we are in Utah. It is beautiful. In my delirious hunger, I went to Walmart and I grocery shopped. It's only junk food, but I'm sure the sugar will get me through. I still have like, I don't know, 8 or so hours that I want to drive today. So it's just like I'm clocking into a shift that I've already been working at for 7 hours. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. Couldn't waste the sunset in a car. It's so beautiful. This makes me really not want to go home. I'm excited to see friends and family, but Pennsylvania doesn't have this, and it bums me out. But I'm glad I have it right now. We are, I think, 11 hours in, and my gas door won't open on my car. I'll hit the button. And it doesn't open. All it's doing is chipping the paint. I got it to work, but a huge piece of plastic flew off, so I don't know what that means. At least we can get gas. Now I have to turn this car into my bed because this is where I'm sleeping tonight and the next few nights. Oh, the gas is done. Let's see the damage. Oh my God, dude, I hate this. I'm very scared to close this because I don't know if it'll open again. Oh my God, dude, the plastic thing is what... Okay, this is about to look like a bed. 3, 2, 1. Wow, looks so beautiful. And this looks like crap. On the road again, 9 p.m. I think I have a few more hours left in me, but I'm starting to get a little tired. Hour 11, doing pretty okay. Probably gonna have to look for a place to sleep in the coming hours. I am getting kind of sleepy. Drowsy driving is dangerous, folks. I found my camping spot for the night. It's a rest stop called Grizzly Creek in Colorado. From Los Angeles, California to right there in one day. It's been a successful day. I'm setting up the car. I'm not filming any of it, and goodbye. Good morning. Right now it's 2:46 in the morning. I think I got like 3.5 hours of sleep, and it's like 33 degrees out. I'd rather just drive than lay awake in the car freezing, so. Time to get after it. I woke up at 2:30, it's 6:30. I need to take a nap. $9:57. I got about 3.5 hours of sleep. It's time to keep going.
I wanted to leave that sound of the cars moving along that town, and you were chipping away, leaving a pile
Let's go.
of dust, with nothing to say, holding the last house up, and my arms are getting heavier.
Third fella.
You're moving your bangs to the side, and the sun sits in the back of your eyes, and now we're sleeping in the trees.
Kansas. I don't think I've ever been to this state before. I can't say that anymore. All I've heard is this state sucks. So in 6 hours, I'll give you a comprehensive review on my opinions.
I'm watching the birds sit and talk, looking around, falling asleep.
It was bound to happen.
And I can stop thinking.
I have gotten just a warning, baby. We're good. I am in Illinois. I'm on hour 16 of driving today. I think I have a few more hours left in me, so I'll check in wherever I sleep. It's the morning of the third day. I've driven a total of 31 hours. I have slept a total of 9 hours. We're under 10 hours until our destination. I saw a stray dog on the side of the road today. It's 34 degrees out, and I was just driving way too fast, and I didn't stop, and I've been thinking about it ever since. I wish I picked that dog up.
Clear steps are useless when I'm awake. I wanted to leave that town, and you're hopeless.
Ohio. I think I'm one state away. Is Ohio next to Pennsylvania? I'm one state away. Only 4 more hours. Pennsylvania, we are in you.